Welcome to the Spokane BBQ Company. My name is Randy Howell. Today we're going to be making a pizza on the grill. We're going to be using the Charbroil Commander. We're going to cook about 500. This pizza is something you're going to want to see. We're going to do it in a cast iron skillet. You guys are going to love this. We're going to roll the new intro. We'll be right back. Welcome back, folks. So making a pizza on the grill is fun. It's something you can do with the kids. They can put whatever they want on it, that kind of thing. But it's fun and it teaches them how to cook a little bit, right? So you can go to the store. You can buy prepackaged dough. You can make your own dough if you want to. Or you can go to your local pizzeria and grab some. What I did was I went and talked to a place that's been around for a long time here in Spokane called the Pizza Pipeline. I told them what I was doing, making a video about it. And they were nice enough to give me the products to make a pizza for them. I mean, it's a great deal. They've been around. They've been an institution for over 30 years. So, love the pizza. Always wanted to support local businesses. So that's where I got all my ingredients from today. So with this dough, I'm going to show you how to make this quick pizza. I'm going to take a little flour. Just make it so it doesn't stick. And I'm just going to go ahead and knead this around a little bit, flatten my dough out, stretch it out. Now you can take it and throw it back and forth. Just to stretch that dough out. That's really all you want to do. Is just kind of get that dough stretched. That'll make it nice. Go down here. Now I got a 12-inch cast iron pan. So for the cast iron, it's going to take a little bit longer to cook, but it's going to be worth it in the long run. And this is a really well-seasoned cast iron skillet. So right about now, there should be a little tag above me that says how to season your cast iron skillet. Great video, I recommend it. Alright, so let's get this all stretched out. Now in my cast iron pan, I'm going to put a little olive oil in here. I'm going to use my paper towel. I'm just going to swish that around. That's going to help give that crust a nice kind of a crunchy texture on the outside. And then for extra fun and flavor, I'm just going to add some butter to it. I'm going to use my little brush here. I'm just going to brush that all around and brush my sides really well. Just like that. I'm going to put my dough in here, and I'm going to push it out to the edges. I'm going to be careful not to poke a hole in it. And then from there, I'm just going to use my Pizza Pipeline sauce that I got. Put that in the middle. Then I'm just going to use a spoon and go in circular motions. Pull it out to the edge of the crust a little bit. Just like that. And it doesn't have to look pretty. This is a homemade pizza, so it's going to be good regardless. Beautiful. I'm going to take some of my cheese, put a little cheese on the bottom. Now if you like those crispy little burnt cheese chunks that happen, secret recipe here guys, put it on the sides and let it crisp up. Those are made for good pickings. And we're going to put on this pizza, we're going to put some pepperoni. So when I make my pizzas, I always like to put my flat items first and then build up from there. My bulkier items can be on top and they'll get that heat and they'll cook well. That's nice, just like that. And I got a few mushrooms I'm going to put on this. Just scatter those around a little bit. And I like to make sure that there's a piece in every bite, that kind of thing. So everybody gets a little bit of something. There we go. And then after that, I'm going to put some red onion on this. I'm going to cut those up a little smaller. I didn't do a very good job cutting them beforehand. But I think this was for a salad, so that's why they came out long. which is something good to have with pizza. Have a little salad, right? Have your veggies. That's good. People like veggies. Alright, I'm going to put a little bit of green pepper on this. Not to pat myself on the back, but folks, this is looking good. I think you'd agree. Unless you don't like something that's on here. And just to top this off, I'm going to put a nice Italian sausage on there. Now, if you like spicy, you can always make a spicy Italian sausage. Get that on there. Well, I tell you what, if I do any better a job, they might offer me work. I don't know. That looks great. I'm going to pull that crust back out a little bit. There we go. And then I'm going to top it again with a little bit more cheese on there. Alright. And there you go, folks. That's going to be a great pizza. So I'm going to get this on the grill. We're going to get it up to about 500 degrees. You want to cook between 485 and 500. At least as you're doing it this way in a cast iron skillet. It's a great way to cook it. So I'll see you in a couple minutes while we get this grill heated up. We'll be right back. Welcome back, folks. It's that time. So we're going to get this pizza on the grill, heated up to 500 degrees. So let's get this thing cooking. It's probably going to cook 10 minutes or so. Just like that. I'm going to let that go, and then I'm going to tell you exactly what time it was. But I think in about 10 minutes is about how long that's going to take. Shouldn't be too long. We'll be right back. Alright, folks, welcome back. I'm pretty excited. It's time to pull that pizza. It's been on there for about 20 minutes. 500 degrees is where we set the temp at. So let's go pull that pizza off and see what we got. There you go. Beautiful. Man, that's just like you get at a pizzeria for the most part. Now that's a good looking pizza pie, right? Let's get a cutter. Let's get that cut up. Man, we're going to get this out for delivery. This thing is awesome. I'd probably make 10, 15 bucks off this. There you go, folks. Look at that pie. Came out just good. Stretchy cheese. Dough's done great. Let's check the bottom and make sure. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. That crust is done to perfection. Now I'm not going to put a 500 degree piece of pizza in my mouth and eat it, but you can just imagine it's going to look something like this. It's going to be so good. Guys, I'm excited. This is great. Came out awesome. Again, thank you for your support watching the videos. I really appreciate your comments. You guys are awesome out there. If you guys like what you see, subscribe. You know, leave a comment down below, hit that notification bell, and as always, thank you. I appreciate you. Have a great day. Until next time, take care.